When you have dogs or cats, removing fur from nearly every surface is simply a part of everyday life. That's why finding a vacuum cleaner that works well on pet hair is so important. The best vacuums for pet hair can pick up fur from furniture and floors without it getting tangled in the brush roll, while also cleaning up dirt and debris that get tracked in from outdoors. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 vacuums for pet hair on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bissell Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Tackle fur, dander, and dust in hard-to-reach places like couch cushions and underneath cupboards with this lightweight handheld vacuum designed specifically for pet owners. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Vacuum has a built-in filter to help trap and remove even particle-sized debris, and it comes with 3 different attachments to help you clean every corner of your home. In our tests, we were pleasantly surprised by how effective its suction and brush roll was at lifting pet hair and kibble off of every floor type, including high and low pile carpets, hardwood floors, and tile. It's quite lightweight at just 3 pounds, making it easy to lift overhead or transport throughout the house. We were even more inclined to vacuum at home due to the lightweight feel and easy portability. It has a crevice tool that helps you reach in between couch cushions or target dust that's accumulated in tight corners. Number 2. Kenmore 600 Bagged Canister Vacuum. Out of all the pet hair vacuums we tested, the Kenmore pet-friendly Pop and Go Canister Vacuum Cleaner earned the only perfect score of the day after achieving our tests for maneuverability, effectiveness, and ease of emptying. We were shocked by how well it removed long dog hair from low and high pile carpets. The vacuum picked up large clumps of fur in a single pass across the floor. This is thanks to the motorized pet hair brush, which is specifically designed to lift hair out of the fibers of your carpet with ease. We found that the Kenmore vacuum had a little more trouble sucking up hair on hard flooring since the hard floor attachment doesn't have a brush roll to help trap the hair. Lifting the vacuum and setting it down directly on top of the dog hair helped capture and sweep the fur away. Weight, 22.6 pounds, cord length, 26 feet. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Furbuster Handheld Vacuum. If you already have a vacuum for day-to-day messes but you need a device with some added oomph to help tackle pet-related debris, this handheld vacuum cleaner is a great option. It's designed to powerfully remove fur, dirt, crumbs, and dander from a variety of surfaces including carpet and upholstery, making it very versatile to use. We loved how effective the Black Plus Decker vacuum was on carpets and upholstery in particular, and it only took 1 pass to remove large chunks of pet hair from these surfaces. In addition to its impressive brush roll, we found that the suction of the Black Plus Decker vacuum allowed it to pick up heavier debris, including chunks of kibble, without too much trouble. Because of this, you'll be able to use the vacuum to handle several types of messes in your home without switching to a different device. Weight, 4.6 pounds, cord length, NA, dustbin size, 25 ounces. Number 4. Shark ZU62 Pet Pro Upright Vacuum. Some people prefer the powerful suction and larger dustbin that upright vacuums offer over more lightweight models like stick vacuums. After testing both types in our lab, we found that the Shark Navigator 0M Self-Cleaning Brush Roll Pet Pro is the best upright vacuum for pet hair. We were very impressed by how easily this device sucked up pet food, fur, and debris alike from carpet and hard floors. It seamlessly transitioned from hard floors to carpets and vice versa without pausing performance, so you won't find crumbs and debris around the edges of your rug. Despite its bulkier size, this vacuum was surprisingly easy to maneuver throughout our testing space. The vacuum head swivels easily, so it can turn tight corners and fit around table legs without missing any crumbs. It's also equipped with a self-cleaning brush roll, which is designed to suck up pet and human hair without anything getting tangled or clogged. Number 5. iRobot Roomba J7 Robot Vacuum. When owning pets, it can seem like there's a never-ending list of cleaning tasks you have to do in order to keep up with all the messes they make throughout your home. However, purchasing a robot vacuum can be a great way to keep pet hair off of your hard floors and carpets with the touch of a button. When we tested the best robot vacuums, we found that the iRobot Roomba J7 was the most effective against pet hair because of its rubber brush roll and strong suction. These elements allow the vacuum to suck up heavy particles like kibble, pet litter, and dense fur without anything getting tangled in the brush roll or being pushed across the floor. The iRobot Roomba J7 has smart mapping technology that allows it to memorize your space and seamlessly navigate from room to room. Weight, 7.5 pounds, battery life, 75 minutes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.